How to log chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily log your chats on WhatsApp and make it secure. So the very first thing you want to do is obviously open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open it up, you want to select the chat that you want to log. Let's say if I want to log multiple chats at once, I'll just long press on this as well as this, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, you have an option to log chats right under select all. I'll just tap on log chats. Then what it does is you can use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on the device. Tap on this continue button and provide your fingerprint. And as you can see here, the chats have been successfully logged. Tap on OK. And the log chats are moved over to the other folder for log chats separately. You could go ahead and tap on lock chats. Now to unlock, just provide your secret code or provide your fingerprint, and you've successfully accessed your locked chats. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.